Dear friends, today our subject is we are learning homeopathy and its medicines for small complaints that can be cured in the home by ourselves. We need not run to the doctors. We should keep some small kit with important medicines. Then we can certainly cure ourselves with few homeopathy medicines that are available with us. Today our subject is colic. Colic means pain, severe pain in stomach is called colic. Colic ante several types of colics are there. Renal colic and other liver colic, stomach colic. Likewise, colic means severe pain. For severe colic, causing the patient to develop and recurring at intervals, he will be feeling inconvenience with pain. He cannot bear it. In such cases, give Colocynth. Colocynth 30 potency, daily 3 to 4 doses for 3 days. For still further severe pains, better when being straight, but worse on bending. Worse, the complaint will be worse on bending forward. When the person is straight, he will get relief. When bending downwards, the trouble is severe. In such cases, give Dioscorea 30. For bilious colic means bile juice is there in liver. Either it is more or less, then the pain will come. And then violent anger will also be there. And for children also, when the bilious colic is there, Chamomilla 30 is the best suitable medicine. Chamomilla 30. This remedy, if it is not working, we can give after some time Nux vomica 30. Nux vomica 30. If the colic is because of taking more oily food, give Pulsatilla 30. And neurological pain in the stomach means you have to give Belladonna 30. These few medicines will help you a lot of health problems solved. You need not run to the doctor or hospital. Most of the time, these medicines will certainly cure any colic. The child or anybody is suffering with colic, we can cure in the home itself with simple 30 potency from the medicines which I have told now. Much accumulation of flatus or constipated condition. Sometimes there will be severe flatus. Flatus means air in the stomach. And the flatus will go out through anus. And sometimes constipation will be there. Such times, Lycopodium is the best medicine. Sometimes chamomilla may not help. When such is the condition, give Podophyllum. Podophyllum is a children's medicine as well as adults medicine for frequent colic. Colic means pain in the stomach and loose motions. In such cases, Podophyllum will definitely cure the condition. So, please try these medicines. You will be a successful man with simple homeopathy medicines. You need not run to the doctor. Thank you very much.